What is tag number? SDU 1601 A/B malfunction trip. So what will happen?
Standby will start.
No, consequence potential.
No sludge dewatering.
No desludging
Force dewatering.
from sludge. So 3C standby, right?
Standby.
Auto start.
Restart. Yes.
It should not auto start, to be honest.
It is always
It depends on the control panel from the window.
Okay. If this pump this trips, do you have an alarm control room? Of course, you must have. Please confirm.
Because it depends on control panel from window. And because we cannot make modification on this panel.
Then I don't want here. Tell me I am in the control room, 200 meter, 300 meter away from this place. My screw is working.
Okay.
And all of a sudden my screw trips. I am sitting in control room. Do I get control room? You get alarm, right?
Yes.
Correct. Very good. A trip in control room. Yeah, that's okay. No, whether you show it, don't show it, I don't have any problem, but it should be there. And this is correct. And this is correct. Okay, guys. So we have, I mean,
conveyor issue.
conveyor issue रखना है. लिख देते हैं conveyor. What is conveyor number?
Conveyor number is
SC 1602A. SC
1602A.
02A/B.